back to my channel. Today is Black Friday, so I thought I would do a PR unboxing so you guys could see all of the new products that brands are putting out there. And there's a lot of sales going on right now, so if you were looking to purchase anything, this is the time. So I have like 5 boxes here that we're gonna go through today. The first box that we're going to open, which I kind of opened last night to post on my story, is this box right here from Riley Rose. It says, I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. The first thing in this package that stood out to me is this huge Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I use this. I have the smaller one in my makeup bag, so I'm going to be leaving this big one right on my vanity. Next, they sent me Lime Crime Unicorn Hair. I've used this before. I'll actually link the video when I tried this out. This is Chocolate Cherry. I tried out Bunny, which is a pink one. Next thing in here is from Pacifica, and they are coconut water cleansing wipes, face towelettes. I'm excited to try these. This brand is vegan and cruelty-free and has a lot of good stuff. It actually says sulfate and paraben free as well. And there's 10 moistened towelettes in here. Wow, it's so thin. There's 10 in there. And I actually need more makeup wipes, so super excited about that. If you guys haven't shopped at Riley Rose yet, I believe like Forever 21 owns Riley Rose, but they just have like such fun brands like Lime Crime and like BH, which is the next 2 products right here. This is the BH makeup setting spray. I could actually use a little more setting spray on right now, so let's give this a try. Okay, so it comes like this with a spray top. Oh my gosh, wow. That is like a full mist. It's a lot more than what you're like used to. So let's see how my makeup lasts throughout the day. The next thing in here is this Zodiac palette. It has a ton of different colors in it. It looks like the highlight in the middle got a little messy, but there's so many different colors. There's all these mattes here and then shimmers going around. Or actually, they're probably not shimmers. They're probably baked shadows. I think usually when it's like rounded on top, it's like a foiled or a baked shadow. Next thing in here is from Lapkos called Pearl. It's a daily skin mask. It looks like just one of those one-time use sheet masks. I've never seen this brand before, but I like their packaging. This brand I've seen but have never tried. R+Co, R&Co. It's a dry shampoo mist, which I always need dry shampoo. My hair is actually super flat today, so let's try this out. Even when my hair isn't dirty, sometimes I'll still put dry shampoo in just to kind of give it some volume because I have such like fine, thin hair. The next thing in here is from Kopari, and it is deodorant, vegan. And then we have some more Lime Crime in here. I think both of these are, oh no, just this one's Lime Crime. This is Sweet Cherry, and it says Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss. And it looks like this. It's like a purpley shade. The next thing in here is a natural facial lifting tool by Gua Sha. It says cruelty free on the back. I feel like everything at Riley Rose is like pretty much cruelty free. They have all those like cute like indie brands and stuff that you weren't able to like try out in stores ahead of time until these Riley Rose stores opened. Okay, so I'm gonna have to read the instructions on this. It's like a crystal or like a stone. It says, Gua Sha is traditional Eastern treatment in which the skin is scraped to release impurities and toxins. This helps stimulate new oxygenized blood flow underneath the skin. The stimulation promotes cell repair and regeneration, helping with breakouts, inflammation, uneven skin tone, and aging of the skin. Use the Gua Sha tool to press, pull, and lift onto skin with comfortable strength. Best used with our Elixir facial oil for optimal results. So I guess like on the front here, it kind of shows you like instructions of what to do. Looks like, I'm not actually gonna put it on my face, I have makeup on, but it looks like you go like this, and then you pull up, and then you pull down, and over, and over, and down on the sides, and up your neck. Interesting. Maybe we do a whole nother video with that. The next product in here is called Vamp Stamp, Va Boom Kitten Wing Stamp. Oh, I've seen these. Oh my gosh, I am not even gonna mess with this right now because I have my makeup all set and ready to go out. But wow, so there's a stamp for the left side and the right side. And I guess you just stamp it on and it gives you like the perfect wing. So this is actually a pretty cool product if you have a hard time doing wings. I really don't have a hard time at all, so I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need this, but I was just teaching a makeup class and everyone was like, what's the secret to winged liner? And of course I went through like the basics and different ways to do it, but if you still can't get it, maybe a little stamp. Last thing in here is from Winky Lux. I have a couple lipsticks from them. They have like the clear lipsticks with the flowers in them. Let's see what this is. So this is the same packaging on the outside, but it's just a normal lipstick on the inside. It says Lip Velour, and it's in the shade Meow. I really like that shade. I usually start with a darker lipstick shade and then put like a lighter one on top or in the middle. So that's a good color. Okay, so that's everything from that box. Now I'm gonna be moving on to, I got 2 packages here from Charlotte Tilbury. The first one was pretty small, just this thing here. And inside there is a lip cheat, which is their lip liner, and there's a long-lasting lipstick. So let's see if they're matching shades or something. So for their lipstick, oh, it's red, like a nice rusty color. It's called Legendary Queen. This is actually really pretty color for like fall and holiday. And the lip liner, it does pretty much match it. I think it's called Walk of Shame. And this is the color. No, they're like rusty red, so they're very similar, even though I don't think that they're exactly the same. They seem to have different names. And the next box from Charlotte Tilbury is their holiday collection, I believe. I love the way that they do their boxes. It's so cute with the ribbon, so classy. As the holiday season is just around the corner, I'm excited to share with you some of my new superstar products straight from my cosmic gift shop. Your magical box is full of trinkets, treats, and treasures, so you can find the perfect gift for all the stars in your life. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is a magical mini brush set. It's all glittery. It looks like there's 4 brushes in it. A powder brush, like a blending eyeshadow brush, a smudge brush, and a precision brush for lip or eyes. This is so pretty. So it has her logo right here on the front, and you open it up and it just has the little brushes in it, and they're tiny, like purse size. So this is really good, like travel set. How cute. The next thing in here is also adorable. It looks like a little shopping bag, and it says Hollywood Lips. I feel like my lens doesn't want to zoom. Oh, there we go. Look how cute that is. And it said her best-selling shades. Let's see which ones they are. We have Too Bad, I'm Bad, and Showgirl. So I'm just going to swatch these. They're actually both really pretty colors. Don't mind the red lip liner swatch on the side, but the pinker one is Too Bad, I'm Bad, like the rosier one, and then the darker mauve one is Showgirl. Both colors are like extremely wearable for a lot of different skin tones, and this little set is so darn cute. This makes such a good little present or like stocking stuffer or something for the holidays. All right, next thing in here is the Bar of Gold palette. Looks like this. The product itself looks like that. Ooh. And then it looks like 3 gold bars in there. That is so cute. There's like a champagne, a rose gold, and a gold. And so these are highlighters. Oh, just put my finger in it. Bar of Gold palette, 3 skin gliding highlighters. I actually don't have any highlight on right now, so let's give this a try. I'm gonna use the rose gold one. It actually does look like I have highlight on, but I definitely didn't put any on. That's really pretty. I tend to always like the rosy pink highlights for my skin tone. And then I'm gonna dip into the lightest champagne one for a little nose highlight. Very pretty. It's very natural. It's not too powdery or anything like that. I actually really like this product. Okay, oh, this is exciting. This product here says the magic of skin. Inside of it is a travel size of Charlotte's Magic Cream, a full size of Magic Eye Rescue, and a travel size of Magic Night Cream. Wow, this is such a nice holiday gift. So cute. So the full size is the eye cream, then little travel sizes of the day and night cream. Just for size comparison, I'll show you. This is the full size of Charlotte's Magic Cream. And then this right here is the travel size. So it's super cute. I think this makes a great holiday gift because who wouldn't want Charlotte Tilbury skincare? And it all comes convenient in this one set right here. Last but not least from that package is a glowing pretty skin palette. This looks like a contour palette. It has, looks like 2 blushes, a bronzer, a powder, and 2 highlights. So that's it for the Charlotte Tilbury products. The next box over here is from CoverGirl, and it is a little bunny, a little stuffed animal bunny. That's cute. It says, you thought you loved our products before, but we took it one step further. We extra. Take the leap with us. CoverGirl, cruelty free. So I just saw that like a week or so ago. I shared it on my story because that is pretty cool that a big brand like this made the switch over to cruelty free. Very happy about that, to see another drugstore brand, because a lot of the drugstore brands I feel like aren't cruelty free. A lot of those like Maybelline and L'Oreal, all that stuff is not cruelty free. So it's awesome that CoverGirl made the change and is now cruelty free. So the next box here is from Makeup Geek. It says, Cara, thank you so much for your support. We hope you enjoy our new holiday collection. Amber and the Makeup Geek team. So they sent a bunch of lashes. Let's go through the different styles. Fearless looks really pretty. They're like wispy, like they come up at like different layers, but next one is Elegant, kind of similar, but it has more of like a cat eye at the end. Graceful, looks like a really wearable natural pair. Mischievous. I would think that these are just the ones that go towards like the outer portion of your eye. And then Charmer. And those look like this. Next in here is the Healing Lip Glaze Trio. So it's like a little holiday set of 3 different glosses. It says glazes for all occasions on the back, and it looks like you have a nude, a pink, and a purple. And then the last thing in here looks like a palette of some sort. Ooh, Stroke of Midnight, and it's got like a gold clock. I love the packaging on that. How gorgeous is that? And then the palette itself has the normal Makeup Geek packaging. Wow, this looks so pretty. And then that's it for that package for the Makeup Geek stuff. So that completes this video for today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.